Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KRLCom CBSE School Module online classes. So in previous class we completed your third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. So I hope you all are clear with all the exercises of chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. So keep practicing problems of third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. So from today I will start with your fourth chapter, Practical Geometry. So practical geometry means construction of the different polygons. Polygons means it may be triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon or anything. So here we will construct different polygons. And before starting with examples of constructing polygons, I will first discuss construction of angles using compass. Construction of angles. Construction of angles using compass. So here we can construct some of the angles by using compass only. So here first I will consider, for example, 60 degree. So to construct 60 degree, first I will consider one line AB. So this is the line AB. To construct angle 60 degree using compass, first take a minimum distance in your compass and draw an arc like this. So you will get like this. Place the needle on vertices A or point A. Place the needle of the compass on point A and draw a arc. You will get a point here. So now again by keeping the same distance of the compass, you can draw another arc here. So here place the needle on the point what you got here. This is the point. Place the needle on this point and keep the same distance of the compass and draw a arc here. So now we got the intersecting point here. This is the intersecting point. Now if you draw a line from A through this intersected point, you will get 60 degree only. So this is 60 degree. How you got this? First draw a line AB and keep a minimum distance of your compass and place the needle on point A and draw an arc and place the needle again on this intersected point here and again draw a arc and finally you will get intersected point here and draw a line from A through this point. So we will get 60 degree. Now I will discuss about 120 degree. This is also same. Draw a line AB. This is the line AB and again draw an arc by keeping minimum distance of your compass and first you have to mark 60 degree to get 120 degree. Now keep your compass on this intersected point here. So by keeping here, you will get another arc here, intersect here. So this is 60 degree, and now again keep your compass on this intersected point and draw again one arc like this. Keep your compass, means needle of the compass, on this intersected point and draw an arc on this line. So here again you will get an arc, and if you draw a line through this intersected line, two lines, you will get 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. This whole angle is 120 degree. Now again, if you want 180 degree, you can draw line AB, and by keeping the compass on point A, I will draw an arc and I will extend this point A. So here I will get intersected point. So this complete angle is 180 degree. So now we got to know how to draw 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. Now I will discuss 30 degree, and this 30 degree is between 0 degree and 60 degree. Here it is between 0 and 60 degree. See here, 30 is greater than 0. How much? It is 30 greater than 0, and 30 is less than 60. How much? 30 less than 60. Therefore, 30 is between 0 and 60. Now to draw 30 degree, what we can do? First again I will draw a line AB, and first I have to get 60 degree to construct 30 degree. Again keep your compass on point A and draw an arc like this, and if you keep your compass on this intersected point and if you draw an arc like this, you will get how much? This is 60 degree. But now we want 30 degree. To draw 30 degree, what we can do? We can place our compass on this intersected point. So I will get an arc like this, and again I will place compass on this intersected line point, and from here I will intersect this line. So here I will get intersected point. So if you draw a line through this intersected point, you will get how much? 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Why? This is between 0 degree and 60 degree. So if you get 60 degree, so here from 0 degree, from this intersected line, you should draw an arc, and from again 60 degree, you have to draw an arc, and through this intersected point, if you draw a line, you will get 30 degree. Like this only, 45 degree. If it is 45 degree, we all know 45 is between 30 degree and 60 degree. See here, 45 degree is between 30 degree and 60 degree. Why? 45 is 15 greater than 30 and 15 less than 60. Therefore 45 is between 30 and 60. So to draw 45 degree or construct 45 degree, we should construct 30 degree and 60 degree also. Now you all know how to construct 30 degree and 60 degree. By using these two angles, we can construct 45 degree. So here I got 60 degree also in this example only, and this is 30 degree. By using these two angles, I will construct 45 degree. So here to construct 45 degree, what we can do? Here it is between 30 degree and 60 degree. Keep your compass on 30 degree here. Here it is 30 degree intersected point. Here and draw an arc here. So here I will draw an arc, and again from 60 degree I will draw an arc here. By keeping the compass on 60 degree, you can draw an arc here. So when you draw a line to this intersected lines, you will get how much? 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Okay, and next one 90 degree. 90 degree means it is the angle between 60 degree and 120 degree. Okay, see here 90 degree is between 60 degree and 120 degree. Here 90 is 30 greater than 60 and 30 less than 120. Therefore 90 is between 60 and 120. So to draw or construct 90 degree, we should draw 60 degree and 120 degree. See here, for example, again I will consider line AB. Now I will draw an arc by keeping the compass on point A. So here I will get like this, and you all know how to get 60 degree and 120 degree. So here I will draw an arc by keeping the compass on this intersected point. So here I will get 60 degree. Again I will draw an arc by keeping the compass on this intersected point. So if we draw like this, I will get intersection here. Means here it is 60 degree and here it is 120 degree. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Now we are constructing 90 degree. To construct 90 degree, what we can do? So here I will keep middle of the compass on 60 degree intersected line. This is the 60 degree intersected line, and draw an arc like this. So here we will get the arc. Like this only, keep your compass on 120 degree and draw an arc. So if you draw a line through this intersected lines, you will get how much? 90 degree only. So now we got 90 degree. The next one 105 degree. So here we will construct 105 degree, which is between 90 degree and 120 degree. 90 degree and 120 degree. So here 105 is 15 more than 90 and 15 less than 120. Therefore 105 is between 90 and 120 degree. So I will draw here, I will construct 105 degree. here we have 90 degree and this is 120 degree and 105 is between this 90 degree and 120 degree. To draw or construct 105 degree, what we can do here, I will place compass here on intersecting line of 90 degree here. Place the needle of the compass and draw an arc like this. So here we will get the arc. Like this only, keep the compass on intersected line of 120 degree. So here you have to keep your compass and draw a line. You will get like this. And if you join or go to this point towards point A, you will get the angle how much? 105 degree. This is between 90 degree and 120 degree. Because this is between 90 degree and 120 degree. Now we will construct 150 degree. 150 degree, which is between 120 degree and 180 degree. Okay, so here this 150 is 30 greater than 120 and 30 less than 180. Therefore 150 is between 120 degree and 180 degree. Here in this example already we have this is 120 degree and here I will draw one straight line to get 180 degree. This is 180 degree and 115 degree is between 120 degree and 180 degree. So here to get 150 degree, what we can do here by placing the compass on line of intersection of 120 degree. Here you have to place your compass here. So here, and by keeping your compass, you have to draw an arc here. You get like this, and again it is between 180 degree means. So here you have to keep your compass and draw a line, and if you join this point with A, you will get how much? This is 150 degree. So this is 150 degree. Now by using this 120 degree and 150 degree, we can construct 135 degree. How? This 135 degree is between 135 degree is between 120 degree and 150 degree. 120 and 150. Why? Here this 135 is 15 greater than 120 and 15 less than 150. Therefore 135 is between 120 and 150. Here we have angles 120 and 150. By using these angles, we can construct angle 135 degree. So here to construct 135 degree, we know that it is between 120 and 150. So here you have to keep your or place your compass on angle of intersection of 120 degree here and draw an arc like this. Like this only, keep the compass on angle of intersection of 150 degree and draw an arc here. If you draw a line to these intersected lines, how much you will get? 135 degree. Because this is between 120 and 150 degree. This is 135 degree. Now, last one, 165 degree. So 165 degree means this is between 150 degree and 180 degree. Here 165 is 15 greater than 150 and 15 less than 180. Therefore 165 is between 150 and 180. So here we have 150 degree and 180 degree. This is 150 degree and this is 180 degree. This line is 180 degree. To get 165 degree, what we can do? Keep your compass on intersection of here. Here in this point, keep your compass on intersection of 180 degree and draw an arc. Like that only, keep the compass on 150 degree intersection here and draw an arc. So, if you join these intersected lines with point A, you will get how much? 165 degree. Because this 165 is between 150 and this 180. Now we got the angle 165. So this is how we have to construct different angles by using compass. So these are the different angles: 60 degree, 120, 180, 90, 30 and 45, 90, 135, 105, 150, 165. These are the different angles. To construct any angle, suppose for example to construct 165 degree, this is between 150 degree and 180 degree. You know that this is between 150 degree and 180 degree. So, to construct 165 degree, we should construct 150 degree and also 180 degree, because by using these two angles 150 degree and 180 degree, we can construct 155 degree. Like this only: 135, 105, 150, 45 and 90. All these are between any of the two angles. Like 45 is between 30 and 60. To get 45 degree, we should get or construct 30 degree and 60 degree. So by using compass, we can construct these angles like this. In next class, I will continue with examples to construct quadrilaterals. Thank you all.